Hey there, welcome to TikTok. Today I'm gonna show you how you can post in your public profile, but only your followers can view it or interact with it. So you start normally or as a regular post. Just click on somewhere and let's say a message, or the content should be this, right, for my followers. So what you need to do now is, if you look at right there, there should be a text called anyone can reply or quote. So this means that anyone can see your post and interact with it, right? If you click on it, look at this, then there should be an option. If I click on mentioned only, that means, let's say I'm going to mention somebody, right? Then only they can view. So let's say @ followers. So that means your followers only can see you, right? So if you click on profiles you follow, so that means only those you follow can only see them, and anyone means it's open for everybody. So just click on those, click on profiles you follow, or mention if you want to mention them. So just click on that and click on post, and there should be a post. Look at this, and this is just for your followers. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.